Guys, so today I'm going to share this super cool book with you. And I really, really like this book because it gives us not only a chance to see some really cool places, but it also gives us an idea of what it might be to stay there for the night. Okay? It's called Incredible Places to Stay. Incredible Places to Stay, written by Michael Bagnulo. Our focus question is, why are some hotels incredible places to stay? Words to know: blends, endangered, hotels, incredible, profits, tour. Table of contents: introduction, sliding with sharks, a cool place to stay. Breakfast with giraffes, in the trees, a room without a view. Sleeping with Fish. Conclusion. Glossary. Introduction. Get ready to go on a tour of some of the world's most amazing hotels. You'll swim to the bottom of the sea, sleep in a cave, and meet different animals. Pack your bags and let's go. Here's a map, and the numbers um, are on the map telling us where that place is. For example, Golden Nugget in Las Vegas, Nevada is the number one right here. Sliding with sharks. A visitor slides through a shark tank at the Golden Nugget. Here's the tank and here's the slide. The first stop on your tour is the Golden Nugget, a hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. How would you like to swim with sharks? A 30-foot water slide winds its way through a huge water tank filled with sharks. After your ride, you can take a tour of the shark tank. You will receive a real shark's tooth to help you remember the adventure. An artist made a picture on the ice wall. A cool place to stay. The next step on your tour is the hotel. But you see how it has the parentheses here? It tells us we can read it differently. Hotel de Glace, located outside of Quebec City, Canada. How cool is it? It's a work of art made of ice. The rooms, halls, and most of the furniture are carved out of ice. And it all melts away in the warm weather. Artists and workers spend about 40 days every winter building it. So they make the hotel every winter, but then it melts. So they have to redo it again the next year. Oopsie. You'll need to wear your heavy winter clothes during your stay. It's as cold as a freezer in there. You'll sleep in a special sleeping bag because the beds are made out of ice. You can take a ride on the indoor ice slide. Breakfast with giraffes. From Canada, you'll travel to Giraffe Manor in Kenya. The forests around the hotel are home to some of the tallest giraffes in the world. 3 giraffes stop by Giraffe Manor for breakfast. A hungry giraffe eats food from a woman's plate. Every morning, the giraffes leave the forest for the hotel. They stick their heads through the open windows and doors. Guests feed breakfast to the giraffes. Profits made by the hotel support endangered animals. Can you spot the microtube along the treetops? The next stop on your tour is in Sweden. There you'll find a tree hotel, a hotel made up of strange tree houses. 6 treehouse rooms hang 14 to 20 feet off the ground. One room, the mirror cube, is covered with grass. The tree house blends in with the woods. Branches around the bird's nest tree house make it look like the home of a giant bird. Another treehouse looks like a UFO from outer space. A visitor climbs a ladder to enter the UFO treehouse. A room without a view. Candles light up the dark, stone, underground room. While you're in Sweden, it is only a short drive to the deepest hotel room in the world. The Sala Silver Mine Hotel sits on top of an old silver mine. Most of the rooms in the hotel are near the mine's opening. You can also spend a night hundreds of feet underground in the mine suite. It is located more than 500 feet beneath the surface. Dress in warm clothes. The temperature in the mine is only about 28 degrees Fahrenheit or -2 degrees Celsius. However, the room is warm to 64 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Sleeping with fish. The last stop on your tour is Jules Undersea Lodge in Florida Keys. Be prepared to get wet. The lodge is 21 feet underwater. You'll need scuba gear to get to your room. Visitors can watch for fish through a porthole window. Scuba time! The hotel offers a beginner scuba program for divers over 10 years old. If you are under 10 years old, you can still snorkel on the surface of the water and come back when you're older. So, looks like this kid's probably about 10 years old. And he is already old enough to be a diver. For dinner, you can even order pizza. Someone from the hotel will swim it down to you in a watertight box. A scuba diver delivers pizza underwater. Conclusion. From the forests of Africa to the bottom of the sea, amazing hotels are everywhere. These incredible places to stay offer you far more than just a bed for the night. They offer you an experience that you'll never forget. Polar Bear Fun, Tundra Lodge in Manitoba, Canada, looks like a train on huge wheels. The hotel moves over snow so that guests can get very close to polar bears. I hope you guys enjoyed this book because I know it gave me an idea of where I would like to stay one day.